and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. The Nykaa Pink Friday sale is on and ongoing, and there are a lot of offers, discounts and freebies which are available. So in today's video, we're going to see the products which I purchased during this Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So this is my pink box, the items which I purchased during this sale. So let us go through these items one by one, and I will be providing the price details as well for all these products. So let's get started. So the first one is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So this is of 400 ml and this is a really good makeup remover, as everyone knows. So this actual price is 450 and I got it for 279 during this sale. So the next one is the Ordinary Eye Serum. So this is for dark circles and for pigmentation. So I've heard a lot of reviews about this eye serum, and I heard that it really works for your darker under eyes. So I just want to try this. So there was no offer in this. I got this for 850, which is the actual price. So there is really no offer for this item. So the next one is the makeup applicator, the Pizza Puff from PAC. So this is in this pizza shape. So I wanted to buy this puff for a long time. So this actual price is 379 and I got it for 319. The next one is the L'Oreal concealer. So again, I've heard a lot of reviews about this concealer, that it is really good, and this is of shade Almond 317. So this is the shade. I hope it works for me. So the price of the actual price of this is 850 and I got it for 449. So that was a really good deal. So this was in my wish list for a long time. So finally I got it during this Pink Friday sale. The next one is the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline. So I've heard really lot of good reviews about this mascara and I wanted to buy this. So this one actual price is 799 and I got it for 479, which was a really good deal. So this is one of the really good mascara and I think you should definitely try this. Next one is the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. So again, this is a really good eyeliner. Maybelline definitely has really good products. This is actually 275 and I got it for 182, which was again a good deal. The next one is the Maybelline Super Stay Coverage Foundation. And this is of shade 310 Sun Beige. So I have the Fit Me foundations and I wanted to try the Super Stay foundation. So that is the shade. So I will be doing a review about this foundation if it suits my skin tone, which is a medium to dusky skin tone. So the price of this is 849 and I got it for 425, which again was a really good deal. And for purchasing the Maybelline products, I got this mini primer free. So this is for the normal to oily skin and it has SPF 20. So I already have this primer. So this was a freebie which I got. So the next one is the Nykaa Black Magic Gel Eyeliner. This comes with a brush as well. And this is the eyeliner. So I've heard good reviews about this. I've been using Maybelline eyeliner, the gel eyeliner, but I really find it difficult to use it. Maybe it's been a long time since I purchased that. So I wanted to give it a try with the Nykaa's gel eyeliner. And this cost 599 and I got it for 359. So that's the gel eyeliner from Nykaa. Then I got the Skin Potion from Nykaa. So this is the 24K Gold Facial Oil. I've heard good reviews about this, which helps in hyperpigmentation and for uneven skin tone. So I wanted to give this a try. So this actually cost 999 and I got it for 500 during this Pink Friday sale. This is how the packaging is. Then I got this highlighter brush from Nykaa. So I've seen a lot of professional makeup artists using this highlighter brush. I do have one, but that has a very broad bristle. So I wanted a little compact one. And this one seems to be really good. So this is how it is. The bristles are really soft. And for purchasing the Nykaa products, I got this eyeshadow palette as free. So this is of shade Night Out. So it's got the black shade. So this is a really good palette which with which you can create a very nice smoky eyes makeup. So this is a free product which I got for the Nykaa products. Then I got this K Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this is of shade Honor. And this shade goes really well for the dusky skin tone. So as you can see, the one which I have applied now is this. So it's a lovely shade, and the formula is really lightweight, and you know, it's transfer proof, and definitely I think it'll last longer. I really love the shade, as you can see. I've been eyeing on this for a long time, and this is actually 1200, which is definitely expensive according to me. And during this sale I got this for 900, which is still expensive, but I really wanted to buy this liquid matte lipstick from K for a long time, and this shade is really amazing. And I also got this eyeliner from K. This is the Eye Stylist Liquid Eyeliner, and this is of shade black. So these bristles are really thin. Again, I've been eyeing on these products for a long time, and K Beauty products, their packaging are really good. I love their packaging. And for purchasing these two products from K, I got this lipstick as free. So this is the Matte Drama Matte Lipstick. And the free shade which I got is Backstage, which is not a bad shade actually. And their packaging, I just love it, as I said. So this is the shade. It's really good. It's got a kind of a red shade. I actually was eyeing on this lipstick as well, and this Pink Friday sale gave me this as a freebie, so that was a really good deal for me. Next, I got this shampoo and conditioner from Herbal Essence. So this is a repair shampoo which has argan oil, and I've heard good reviews, and it is a herbal shampoo. I wanted to try. I've been using Khadi Natural earlier, but recently I've been having a lot of hair fall due to post pregnancy, and a lot of dandruff as well. So I wanted to change and try something herbal, and there was a really good offer. So it's a shampoo and a conditioner, and it costs around 350 each. The actual price is 700 per bottle. So this is 659, the shampoo, and the conditioner is 700. But both together I got it around 660, which was a good deal, and the reviews are also really good. So you can definitely give it a try. So this is the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner, which is of Repair Argan Oil of Morocco. Next one, I got this Bronson makeup brush cleaner sponge tin. So there is no offer in this, but I wanted to buy this because it'll help me to clean up my brushes really quickly, especially while traveling. So you just have to, dab your brush here to remove the excess product on your brush. So I wanted to buy this, and I've got this. So next, let's move on to the Luxe products. So I've got this MAC Makeup Fixer. So this is something which is there in my list for a really long time. I've been using the sample version of this, and in 2-3 occasions I've used it, and it is like really great. So I wanted to buy the bigger version of it. So this is it. This is the original makeup fixer. So you have 20% off on the MAC products. So the actual price is 2150, and I got it for 1720. Next is the eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. So this is the shade Medium Nude Obsessions. and this had a really good deal, almost 50% off. So these are the shades, lovely shades. So the actual price is 2650 and I got it for 1325, which is like a 50% off. And everyone knows Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes are amazing and superly pigmented. So I wanted to buy this, and this Pink Friday sale gave a really good offer. So I got this. So that's the second item from the Luxe product. So these are the products which I purchased during this Nykaa Pink Friday sale. All the products are really great. So there are affordable and luxe products in my pink box. So I will provide the product details and the price in the description. You can go ahead and check and purchase it if you like them. So the shades which I've mentioned here for foundation or for concealer or for the lipstick all goes well for a medium to dusky skin tone. So you can definitely use this as a reference. And I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.